Real talk, this was gonna hurt a lot of people's feelings. Oh well. You know how many people have texted me saying, tell us where it's gonna be. We'll be there. I got your 6. 10,000 plus over the last 2 years of people that just say, hey, where we all gonna meet at? What we're gonna do? How's it all gonna go down, right? I'm armed. I'm this and that. I'm ready. If you're one of those people that is still saying that shit, I just want you to know you're full of fucking shit, right? You're just a fucking mouth. You're talking out the side of your fucking neck, right? In a penitentiary style. Bow wow, man. Dog bark and fucking puppy lips, right? Because everybody that was about it, the people that are in the know, have already went to fucking North Carolina. And those areas that were devastated by a storm, where the government is oppressing the people. And all you other bitches are still sending me messages. I got your 6. Where's it gonna be? When we gonna get together? Motherfucker, the bus left 2 weeks ago. Your country's in need. People are in need. And you're still just bumping your fucking gums from the bleachers. Right? For fucking real. That's what you look like. Do you think when we banged in the streets, when we gang banged in the streets, when we met up, that we needed somebody to lead us there, to fucking put the butter on our bread and slice it and serve it on our plate? No, we knew what fucking time it was. It was time to fucking do what we got to do. Right? And that time arrived about 2 weeks ago. And you fucking pitiful motherfuckers are still texting me and saying, I got your 6. What do we do? Who's going to lead us? Motherfucker, you got to have heart. See, this thing right here is connected to this thing right here, which is connected to this right here. This shit right here, it has nothing to do with anybody except me and the people that are there, that are open carrying, that are standing up for their rights in their land. Yeah. That are cutting down trees and chainsaws. Fucking pulling dead bodies out of the ground and begging a motherfucker. I wish you would. Yeah. They're not on the outside texting me, or thousands like me. We need a leader. When you gonna be? Come here. Motherfucker, we've already been there. We're there now. Fluent fucking English.